Hi, welcome to another North London allotment, and today we're going to be talking about one of our annual weeds. As I'm sure you know, I inherited a plot that was thick with perennial weeds and still is. It's a continuing battle. But I've also got annual weeds, and this is one that is everywhere. This weed is commonly known as fat hen. Now, I do believe in medieval times people used to eat the leaves before spinach kind of became popular. Do not quote me on that, I don't want anyone getting sick. Do your own research. So I believe you can eat it, but don't take my word for it. Now these become, I think, pink flowers. I have never let one get that far because fat hen has two types of seed. The favourite place for this weed to grow is in my potato bed, but you can find it anywhere. It is particularly fond of potato beds though, and it's one of those weeds that before you know it, it's a metre high and about to flower. And we do not want this weed to flower, and I'll tell you why. Fat hen makes two types of seed. There's a brown seed and a black seed. Now the brown seed is a bit more fragile, but it does germinate much quicker. However, it also makes a black seed which has a thicker case, so it doesn't germinate as readily, but it can last in the soil for something like 40 years. So, fat hen, do not let it go to seed. Get it out, get it dried out, and get rid of it. Should be able to put it on the compost as long as these have not become seeds. It's not a hard weed to get rid of. Just a simple pull, and it comes out roots and all. And I've just been leaving them to dry out in the hot weather, which doesn't take very long at the moment.